Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. So this is Masood AI. So today this video is all about the new model which Anthropic released today, just 6 hours ago. So I thought let's build a video on it. So that's what I'm going to tell you. So this is the official page of Anthropic. They have launched Opus 5. So I'll tell you what this is all about, how it's compared to the other models, which like frontier model they have. So the first one is agentic terminal coding. So it's mainly with the what you call, like, as a software engineer we use terminal for most of the tasks. So how good is Opus 5 compared to the other models? So I also have this Cloud plugin with me, so it will help us to understand how it's performing. So let's go this one. So it's mean agentic terminal coding. Can the model use a command line terminal on its own to write and fix code like a developer? So basis of this, like, this is Opus 5 is compared to others, it's far ahead of it. And the another like benchmark we can say, like, this is like when we go to the exam and we perform, like how much we score on maths and other physics, chemistry, like this the models evaluation has been done on different benchmark, and basis of them how it's performing. So the highlighted one is the it's leading on this category. So now the second point is knowledge work. What that knowledge work means: a broader test of real world office knowledge tasks. This one uses a score rather than a percentage. So higher is just better within that scale. So Opus 5 is, compared to other models, very high. Novel problem solving, ARC AGI 3. So if you see, for Fable 5 we don't have, but for Opus it's 30.2. So what that mean? It tests whether the model can solve brand new puzzles, like problems it has not seen pattern for before. Like, without, like, this is something new. The model is face and it's able to solve it or no. So Opus is comparatively with the other model, it's solving 30%. So that's very huge. And the another part is agentic search. So let's say what that agentic search means: how well the model can browse the web autonomously to dig up hard to find information. So like normally when we need any information, we used to search over the internet. Earlier we used to do, now we fully depend on the Gemini or ChatGPT or Cloud. So this new model is like 90%. So that's too much compared to others. Like GPT 5.6, it's having 94, so it's still leading on this one also. Multidisciplinary reasoning, humanities last exam. Okay, what that mean? A very difficult broad academic exam covering many fields on both no tools, just the model's own knowledge, and with tools allowed to search and use the resources. So this is, let's see, understand it like this, like we have exam. We normally go to the school, we give exam, but for model, like it's like he is a doctor, he is an engineer, he is a lawyer, he is everything, and basis of that there is some exam it's taken without any tool access. It's a score 56.3 compared to Fable 56.5. So like nearby, but with tools it's scoring more than Fable 5. And the next part is computer use. So this is very interesting thing, like the model can use the computer. Let's say on Cloud A, we ask to help me with something on my computer, so it will mimic like a human and it will do the task. So can the model actually operate a computer, like clicking around a desktop, opening apps and completing tasks similar to what I do for you in the browser? Okay. So here also it's computing all, and it's score said 70.6. That's so much. Agentic coding. Now, what is agentic coding? Most of you already know this. And we have different what you call benchmark to different tests of the model, fixing real software bugs, writing code in an autonomous multi-step way. Like agentic coding, like different agents are writing the code. So for this, still GPT is leading here, but still like it's 68.8. It's more than Opus 4.8. So it's over 5. It's supposed to be higher than this. Okay. Also here, also it's higher than, it's nearby Fable 5. Business workflows. What that mean? Completing multi-step business task end to end, like the kind of things you would automate with Zapier, like N8 and Zapier make. We used to automate the task. So for this, it's a score 26.0. That's very good. For legal, like you have some problem regarding to legal. So if you give Fable 5, you choose Fable 5 model for this. So it will be like having a score, how much? 13.3 for Fable 5 and for Opus 11.7. So it's second and Fable is the top one as of now. Maybe in future we will have something else. For health, medicine knowledge and reasoning tested against professional health standard. So for health, Mythos is leading here. Biology, let's see what biology means. Scientific reasoning in biology split into hard problems versus ones that have already been human solved. Okay, so for the human solved one, it's scoring 90. That's very good. For hard also, it's 49.4. So that's it for today. Maybe in future we will test it on multiple things. So what else we have to see? Mainly like the cost. Where is the cost part? Let me find it out. Okay, Claude Opus 5 is available today on price $5 per million input token and 25 per million output token. So we can see like it's around 50% discount, not discount, it's 50% lower than the Fable, but it's giving same kind of output. So that's a very good model release. Let's see how we can utilize this one. So maybe in next video I'll be doing some real time testing on it. So that's it. Thank you for today, and subscribe to my channel to be aware about the latest happening and latest news regarding the AI and AI field.